This is the ceiling here. As you can see, it's failing, and it's actually a two panel to each other, 5/8 stick to each other, which means it's a 1 1/4 feet. I would like to show you what's happened really here. This is a ceiling, and the ceiling is not really straight. It's actually going in a slope, as you can see here. Okay, it's a slope, and here the way you can see the problem from different angle. Okay, so what we will try to do here, we will try to fix this issue, and if you don't going to be successful to raise the sheetrock and put it back, you will have to remove it and put new sheetrock. We're going to work with this machine, try to push or to raise the sheetrock here, as you can see. Remember, this is a 5/8 of an inch, but the problem is there are two panels stick together, so it's actually 1 1/4, and you can see how devastated it is. I want to show you from upstairs, from the attic, what's happening. So that's the way it's look from the attic, and you can see where is the screw here. Look at the screw, and look is the joist here. That's really crazy. The installer installed it with screws, as you can see here. Not screws, sorry, with nails. Let me show you where are the nails here. Here's the nails. And look, where is the nails and where is the joist? So here's the problem. So we need to actually try to push it up, slowly but surely. And that doesn't going to take short time. It will take probably, we have to remove also this insulation here, as you can see. So it turned out to be that this dry lifter is actually 11.5 inch only. The person actually told me it's 16. So what we did, we put it here on a ladder. Okay, and then you can see what's happening there. So I tried to see if you can actually lift this piece of sheetrock. Remember, this piece of sheetrock is a one sheetrock, probably 14 feet long. As you can see, we are here already, and we try to actually raise it to the proper height, and then we attach it to the joist. So that's what we actually put. You can see here there is a jack, and here there is a plywood, and we actually put this together with a dry lifter just to try to lift the sheetrock to its position. That's the way it's looked from here. That's the way it's look after we fix it. As you can see, we glue it also. You can see the glue here, and you can see what's happening here also. And you can see how nicely it's actually the sheetrock is attached to the beam or to the joist here. At comparison with the previous one, was the drywall was like maybe 7 inches below the joist. And that's the way it's look after we fix it and paint it with a pattern. Not even shred of evidence of what happened here before. That's the way it's looked from here.